Hey, Leo, and we have some updates to Star Saber and Victory Leo in this bag right here. And it looks so cool holding that bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's get into it. Let's see what little pieces we have in here. So we're going to lower the camera for right now so we can show what's inside here, and we'll bring it up for the figures. So we got some that, we got that, we got that, and we got that. So these look like they're 3D printed runners that go inside his thing. So I guess we have to nip them off and put them in. Because those are for the long ones, those are for the next ones, yeah. It's 3D printed, so we do have to nip them off. And then there's two on there. Yeah, so let's get the nippers. I barricade my nippers because Amber tries to get in there at nighttime. Should have had these ready. I just didn't realize they needed to be nipped. So I got to move all the barricade stuff out of the way so I can get to my nippers. Didn't realize I'd be building something. But that's the way that goes. So where are my nippers? They're there. I know, I'm making a mess here. We don't need the God Hand nippers, I don't think. We just need the regular nippers. So we'll use the entry grade nippers for this. So let's, now we cut. Yep, nip, nip, nip. Oh, it went flying. Oh my God, I don't know where it went to. Well, this sucks. The thing went flying away. What did? The little piece, I found it. I found it. It just went flying across the screen, like shoom. All right, so let's try this. Let's bring in Victory. Let's try one, but I literally threw that across. That was insane. So let's, I have the post in there. Let's see, do we need the post in or not? I really hope these go in without a problem. Because I am not into filing right now. Let's see. I think that post needs to be brought down a little. Okay. I need to put it down. I don't want that thing going flying across the... It's a very tight fit. There we go. Let's see if that works now. Let me try something here. If I have them upside down or not, I don't think so. You don't want to put them in this way. No. Let's try the other side. I didn't want this to be a 3-hour video just trying to get this thing in here. It's definitely too wide. I think they go on their side where the nip is. So I think I do need to get out the God one so I can get a little bit closer. 3D printed stuff is a little bit of a pain. Let me take that nip down more. Oh, I was really hoping this kit wasn't so intricate. I was like, I thought the pieces would have already been, you know, taken off and... let's try this now. I think they go on their sides. The way it goes in. I can actually take these off. Make my life easy. Yep, there it goes. And it's in there. Definitely need to sand down that nip, that side a little bit more. Get my I'm gonna get my X-Acto knife. For the next one. Now we're going to hold it this time while we cut it, because I do not want this thing go flying across the room. I do need more light. I really didn't think that this was going to be a long video. I'm really sorry if it is. I just want to show this kit, and like if you got it and then you had to do this stuff. So this is 3D printed, so you are going to need a little bit of tooling on it to make sure that it fits right. Unfortunately, there are going to be nubs. So you need an X-Acto knife to take away the nub. It's a little flatter. Now we're going pretty nicely. Yeah, make sure you put it on its side. There it is. I definitely need to take care of that that nub issue on that side. So let me see if I can pop this out. Or I'll just see if I can take it down with this. You know. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it to pop out. Make the nub work for me. No, I don't think that's too terrible. From far away, you would never. Yeah, far away, you would know that this goober didn't do it right. Well, I'm going to do that off camera. We're going to go on to the next part. I'll fix it up a little bit better off camera. I'm not going to do it in here. So now we're going to do these right here. This is the fun of 3D printed stuff. I mean, they have to have, you know, brackets that hold them on. I didn't think that it would be on its side, where I would think the best place to put it was, you know, the bracket on the bottom instead of the side. I would definitely tell the seller that on eBay that, hey, they probably should have these going a different way, you know, because then it will make it look nicer. You don't want the nub in the middle. Nubs. You found me at the nub. 10 minutes in, we only did 2 parts. Jesus. Sorry for cursing. But
Taking the Lord's name in vain.
I took the Lord's name in vain. We're exacto knifing to take away the nub. It's still very high. It's very hard plastic, so it's kind of hard to cut. I want to, in 3D printed, these are the stakes that it holds it, Cut down a little bit, see what it looks like. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Okay, here's the other one. Let's try to cut it down a little bit better. Take off as much as I can with the God hand. So I don't have to do too much cleanup. Now, if Hasbro had done this in the beginning and just filled all these holes, like I think that's stupid to have all those holes inside there. I mean, that's just laziness. For a $175 toy, they should have done a little better. That one's better.
You preach it.
I preach it. For $175, they should have done better. They are hard to put in on some angles. By the magic of editing, you will see this already done.
One eternity later.
We are back, and I have done a little extra. So as you see, all this is done by the power of editing. They are all in there, so it looks much better with all the empty space. Now we do have stuff for his thigh right here. These didn't require any cutting out, so we're just going to put them in. They go right in here. So they take care of the thigh. The color matching is, it's okay. I mean, it matches a little bit. Not too bad. So let's get this thigh in there. And then, there we go. Now he's thigh mastered all up. There we go. Now he has no more thigh. Missing thighs. I got thigh on it. So there he goes in all his glory. Now the last piece of this is for Saber, for his arms. So I've already pre-taken his arms off. You just had to kind of pop them off. And it's a mushroom peg. So here is the peg to put in, and it has a little door that you, see? so his hand can go in. So we're going to put that together real quick. Let's bring the camera down again so we can work. So let's get the hand in here. This kind of snaps in. May have to give it a little push. Make sure I'm putting the right hand in.
Push it real good.
Push it good, push it real good. This is the outside. Yeah. I want to make sure I'm using the right hand for the job. This one goes up like that. And we'll turn in like that. Yeah, that's good. I want to make sure I have it right. It does pop in there. You're going to have to use a little tool just to probably pop it in. Something that not... There we go. Now his hand's in there. That will close, and then we'll put this on his arm. Get this adjusted. There we go. This gets this pushed back into this little mushroom peg. You just got to kind of work it in, and it will go in. That's how you get it out. You have to just work it out. Not many things you can do to push it in, unfortunately. You might be able to set it down and use something like this. Something that has a rubber end. And then push it in. Yeah, that will help. Oop, I dropped them. Saber, come back. Come back, Saber. You do have to cut. Oh, there it goes. There he went. Awesome. So now we'll get to the other arm. Make sure that this is always on the outside. It's going to be on the inside. Make sure the hand is going the right way. Push the hand in with something that has a rubber end. Always use something that has a rubber end. You don't want to do anything to bust it. That will close like that. So now see, he has a closed hand. So no more gap like it was before. And then we just got to get the mushroom peg in. And like I said, you just kind of have to use friction to kind of push it in. Not friction, just kind of make it go. And there it snaps. There we go. So now, there he is. And that's much better with his... I don't have his legs all out, but that is much better. And the transformation still, has the hands go in just like it does before. And then you can put them back into Saber. Here are the parts we took away. There you go. So there is a little bit of... work with this, and you just can't just take it out of the box and it's ready to go, unfortunately. I wish it was, but 3D printers, they have to have stakes. So thank you so much for this thing. I hope you enjoyed this. We're going to go back. There they are. I don't know, should we put them back in this little Star Saber mode? Put the hands in. The hands go right in. That closes, just like it would before. None of this hurts the transformation. Oh, his hand wasn't in there good enough. There. And that goes in there. That goes in there. And then we can put him back in his mode. His air mode. Not his air mode, but his, putting these back up. These go into here. It should clip in somewhere, I thought. This just goes on the side. Oh, they do. They clip in right here. There we go. Clip in right here. And they clip together. And we can put them back on Saber, Star Saber. Not sure if I have the hands in the right place. Don't remember the arms. They're supposed to go up. No, they don't go up. They just kind of sit there. I can't remember what the arms do. Thought they kind of curved in a little. I don't remember the transformation for this at the moment. Oh, there we go. I figured out. They go down. There we go. There we go. And now he can go in. And clip him in. Yep, there we go. Clip him in. Went down too long. Far. Come on. The arm got moved. Arms need to go on the side. This arm's just being a pain. Here we go. Come on. Gotta take him out. This arm is just being a pain on the side. There you go. And then clip him in. Come on. Get in there. Doesn't want to sit in all the way. Come on, Saber, do what you gotta do. There we go on that side. Come on, Saber. Oh, we're gonna end the video here because you know how to transform him. There we go. He's in there now. Put him in. There we go. Star Saber's in there. We got him. Put his little head on. There we go. He's in. There he is. So let's end the video here. So as you see the transformation, it does nothing for the transformation. This makes it look better, 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 better. We're ending this video. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this.